At some point during your test of the self node, you are going to probably run into problems and you will want to share them with the team at IHK. So the way to contact us is go to the input output page in GitHub, and there search for the Shelley testnet repository, and here you can raise an issue. You go to issues, and let's create new issue. You have either a bug report or a Cardano improvement proposal. Let's create a bug report. For example, let's say Nick Shell installs Jormungandr version 0.1.0. Great bug. So, and then you have fields that you want to run. For example, let's say when installing unique shell Rust self node, it installs the version 0.1.0 and the newest one is 0.2.1. To reproduce the behavior, we simply need to do, for example, the instructors here. Jormungandr Nix install like this. The expected behavior is we want the latest Jormungandr release from Nixshell. And additional context. Here in additional context, you can set up, for example, you can put, let's say, log files. So for example, you could do a copy paste from your screen. Let's say I want to include that as part of the output. This is what message logs returns, and I paste it here. For example, in GitHub, this triple backtick help us to write code. For example, if I go click here in preview, you can see that the code is in a continuous mode, right? So that's a nice thing to have. Also, for example, let's say I want to attach log files. If you remember, when we started the node, we started it with an instruction like this, Jormungandr Genesis, and then at the end we set up this little ampersand more greater than, and we send the node to my node.log. So that way is redirecting the output of the Jormungandr command to my node.log. We can see that if, for example, I say tail my node.log. You can see these are the latest entries on the log. So, for example, I could upload this log to the server. The way to do that, for example, would be I just need to go to the where I have my Jormungandr. Here is your test self node, and here I have my node.log, and I just drag it from there to here. You see, now it's uploading the node and is attached here. In the future, you won't need to do this because we will have centralized logging, and that way the logs are going to be shared automatically with the IHK so that we can improve the Rust node. So then you submit a new issue, and that's it. Now we have a very nice bug report with a descriptive title, instructions to reproduce it, what message logs returns to us, and even the output from our current log. We are going to be checking the issues in this way. We are going to see, for example, this ticket is going to be part, and here is how we are going to keep monitoring the different issues that we receive from the community, because, as we say, we want to build this Rust client with your help. So thank you very much.